Recently, the Malta-Gozo channel has received international recognition as a marine IBA. John Borge, the curator of the Natural History Museum on Malta, explains what an IBA is.
These are areas which are of particular importance to the birds, either for breeding or during migration. The new IBA is going to be right in the middle between Malta and Gozo, which will cover also the island of Comino. It's an area covering about 123 square kilometers, ranging from a bit south of Tachench Cliffs and Gozo, another IBA, and extending eastwards off Irdum Tal-Madonna, another IBA. So it's quite an extensive area, which is commonly known as the Gozo Channel.
Il-fatt li din l-erja ġiet iddikjarata bħala IBA ifisser illi wasalna għal pass iqreb biex l-erja tal-baħar mhux ġast l-art, għax hawnhekk l-art hija diġà protetta bħala sita natura għalfejn, imma anke l-erja tal-baħar tiġi konsidrata għal protezzjoni.
IBAs are recognized worldwide. They attract interest from birdwatchers, conservationists and planners, and they become travel destination and target for ecotourism projects and scientific studies.
The identification of a place like this new IBA is based on visual counts of birds that you are seeing. So, all in all, although it's very time consuming, it's easier and much more with a higher confidence level in the numbers given. A large number of ferruginous duck, which is a high priority species, pass through this channel. It's also important for the daily movements of Yelkon shearwaters and Skokolis shearwater to and from their breeding sites. And it will also afford protection to quite a number of other wildfowl, but not only, even raptors and other migrating birds which make use of this channel. All these three make the Maltese Islands extremely important for these seabirds, and very special.
Il-passa hawnhekk f'Marzu hija meraviljuża u barra minn Brajmla ħamra jgħaddu ħafna tajr ieħor bħal irsieset u tip ta' safar tal-ilma minn dal-passaġġ jsejħulu l-Gozo Channel. L-ewwel jiġu minn naħa t'isfel ta' Malta, minn nofsinhar mis-sawt, jifqu hawnhekk fil-fliegu ta' bejn Malta u Għawdex, jistrieħu ftit u jkomplu il-passaġġ tagħhom lejn l-Ewropa fil-rebbija biex imorru jbidu minn din naħa.
I spent an average of 6 hours a day scanning the sea surface and the sky looking for migratory birds. I recorded for each flock of birds the number of individuals, the species, and where possible the sex and their behavior.
Il-kooperazzjoni bejn NGOs u anke dipartimenti tal-gvern dan il-proġett kienet importanti ħafna għax tat riżultat mixtieq, apparti li rnexxielna nipproteġu ntejbu din l-erja tal-Irdum tal-Madonna, issa llum qegħdin inħarsu lejn pass il qudiem li anke nipproteġu l-erja tal-baħar li hija importanti għal dawn l-asafar u anke għal asafar oħrajn fil-fliegu ta' bejn Malta u Għawdex. Dal-proġett kien immexxi mill-BirdLife Malta bisħab mal-RSPB, il-BirdLife tal-Ingilterra, SPEA, il-BirdLife tal-Portugal. Kellna wkoll il-Transport Malta, l-Forzi Armati ta' Malta, Heritage Malta u anke d-Dipartiment tas-Sajt Malta. Flimkien ma' kofinanzjament mill-HSBC u anke mill-MEPA. Dan kien proġett fondat mill-EU, kellna fondi mill-Unjoni Ewropea għalih li ppermetta li din ir-riċerka tagħti r-riżultat li qed niċċelebraw illum.
This will hopefully give more protection to these birds while out at sea. Legally speaking, it's one major step forward. The main idea behind this is that this new site will also get Natura 2000 status and protection as well.